Now that we are ready to start the 695, ensure that the water is connected. Check that the stop switch is pushed in so that the saw is on and ready to start. For a cold start, pull out the choke lever, which also sets the trigger lock. For a warm start, pull out the choke and set the trigger lock and push the choke back in. Press the primer bulb until fuel is in the bulb. Once fuel has reached the primer bulb, press the decompression valve. If the decompression valve is not located on the side of the saw, it may be on the top. Ensure that your water valve is turned on with a minimum of 1 gallon per minute at 20 psi.
So Aaron, how do we know if we have enough water on the saw?
With the water attached and the valve open, pull the chain off to one side. If water shoots more than 1 foot out of the guide bar, then you have met the minimum amount of water and flow pressure required. To start the saw, use short, fast pulls. This could be as many as 15 pulls on a new saw. Drop starting any chainsaw is not recommended. On a cold start, when the saw begins to pop or start, push in the choke. If the saw does not start after the pop, use short, fast pulls to fully start the saw. Once the saw starts, depress the throttle trigger to deactivate the high-speed idle and stop the chain. Standing behind the saw, place your left foot on the inside of the rear handle. Place your left hand on the front handle. Use your right hand to pull the starter cord. This is the safest method for starting saws.
Here's a quick review of the key topics of this chapter. For more information on ICS training or products, visit icsdiamondtools.com or call customer service at 800-321-1240.